Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a UK work visa application letter. This letter is a formal document submitted to support your work visa request, outlining your job offer, qualifications, and reasons for seeking employment in the UK. You will begin your letter by providing your personal details, including your name, address, email, and phone number, followed by the date. Next, you will address the visa officer at the relevant embassy or consulate, including their name, if known, the embassy's address, and location. The subject line will clearly state the purpose of your letter, specifying the type of work visa you are applying for. Finally, you will open the letter with a formal salutation, such as "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to apply for a type of work visa to country name, as I have secured employment with company name as a job title. My employer has provided me with a formal job offer, and I am eager to contribute my skills in, mention your expertise, to their team. Enclosed are all required documents, including my employment contract, educational credentials, and financial statements, as per the visa requirements. I kindly request you to process my application at your earliest convenience. I assure you that I will comply with all immigration laws and return upon the completion of my employment contract. Please feel free to contact me if any further information is needed. I appreciate your time and consideration. Sincerely, your name." This is the sample work visa application letter we have prepared. Notice how it clearly presents your job offer, outlines your qualifications, and explains your reason for seeking employment. By following this format step by step, you can craft a well-structured and compelling application letter that strengthens your visa request. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing effective work visa application letters.